Hey guys, summer 2025 is here, and if you're looking to earn extra cash during break or in your free time, I've got you covered. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or just want to build your side income, these money-making ideas are perfect for the season, and most of them are beginner-friendly and flexible. First, got a skill like writing, graphic design, or even basic video editing? Fiverr and Upwork are gold mines this summer. You can start small and scale up fast, and both platforms are still hot in 2025. Second, use tools like Canva to create and sell templates, planners, or ebooks in SC, Gumroad, or Payhip. People are still buying summer planners, budgeting sheets, and even niche guides. You make it once, then get passive income. Third, TikTok Shop is booming right now. Sign up as an affiliate, promote trending products, and earn a commission per sale. No need to stock anything, just post and earn. And with TikTok's 2025 boost tools, discoverability is way easier. Fourth, offline hustle. Try tutoring, pet sitting, or yard work in your neighborhood. Apps like Nextdoor, TaskRabbit, or even Facebook Marketplace help you connect fast. Plus, it's perfect if you want cash upfront. Fifth, go thrifting or look for summer clearance deals, then flip them on Depop, Carousel, or Facebook Marketplace. Focus on seasonal stuff like sandals, sunglasses, or beachwear. Whether you want fast cash or long-term digital income, summer 2025 is a full opportunity. You just need to pick one and get started.